Kelly.
And I'm Jackie.
Okay. Today we're going to show you how to take a quesadilla and turn it into a Greek souvlaki pita. And we're going to start with chicken souvlaki. So Joanne is going to marinate the chicken.
So we prepared a little marinade here, which is just your typical souvlaki marinade.
So we got some olive oil, lemon juice, oregano, salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic powder. And you can take your chicken strips and just toss them.
And usually we marinate a little bit, early. We marinate for a little while longer. But this should be good for us.
Yeah. So you can let this sit in the marinade for about an hour and it'll be good to go. And when you're doing chicken especially, you marinate in the refrigerator. So we're heating our pan. You want to use a cast iron pan or our panini grill.
We like to use a panini grill because this is going to be a panini.
And make sure your chicken is coated on all sides with the marinade.
That's looking pretty good now.
And you want to nicely oil your pan.
So while we're waiting for this, why don't we...
We're going to show you our fillings that are going to go into the souvlaki pita. So we've got roasted red pepper that we're going to slice.
One whole roasted red pepper.
One whole roasted red pepper.
And then we're gonna put our cassetti plate.
We have our cassetti. We're going to use about a quarter cup of cassetti. We're going to use a couple of slices of tomato, and these are all going to go as the filling for the panini. And today we're using panini bread from Pondos. It's the perfect size and thickness for something like this. And it grills up with a fresh flavor and a great texture.
We're gonna cut this up.
Yeah, why don't we slice that while
We can
the
cut
chicken
that
is
into
cooked.
thin slices with julienne it. Yep, that's perfect. Jackie has been cooking with us since she was 1.5 years, so she knows her stuff.
How's our chicken?
It's cooking.
Do we want to heat up our pita again just for like 10
Actually,
seconds?
this is going to be going in the oven, so you don't need to heat this up. Sorry, not oven, it's going back in that skillet. And that skillet's going to give it the nice grill marks that you want.
Yeah, because we have a nice little grill pan going here. You can see the sizzling and it smells so good. And I think our chicken is just about ready.
What do you think? Should we do two pitas or one?
One, I think.
We could do one and cut it in half.
Yeah.
So Jackie, do you want to cut this in half for us right down? Oh, here we go. Perfect. Cut it right down the middle. Okay. Okay, so
we put our chicken in there.
we'll put our chicken in here. Let's move this closer so we can layer that up.
Smells really good.
Oh my gosh, that smells amazing.
I love chicken souvlaki. One of my favorites.
Don't all Greeks?
I know. Just about every event we seem to have, it's always got to be
Chicken souvlaki,
some kind of souvlaki or lamb.
Okay, let's
We're not very creative.
So we're showing you Greek cooking without all those things.
put our peppers on there.
Okay, let's put the peppers on there.
Looks good.
Perfect. Look at that. That's gorgeous.
Okay. That looks so pretty.
Let's take a couple of slices of tomato,
Okay.
and then we will do about a quarter cup of cassetti that's been shredded.
Okay.
Cover that up. Make sure your grill pan now has enough olive oil in it, and that's going to grill for a
That's
few
gonna take a few minutes.
It's gonna take a few
Grill
minutes per
while the
side.
cheese melts. And we're gonna press this down a little bit.
And then we'll show you in a couple of minutes what it looks like when it's all done.
And we're back.
Here it is.
And here it is. 2 minutes per side.
I see how beautifully golden it is on top, and the cheese is melted on the inside.
And that's what it looks like.
And that's our souvlaki pita. Kaliorixi!
Kaliorixi.